In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your Metamask wallet onto Google Chrome. Now, if you're using the Brave browser, I have a video for the Brave browser specifically if you want to go watch that. But if you're using Google Chrome, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that set up. So let's go ahead and go to metamask.io. I'll have a link in the description, and you're going to want to go click on the download button, and it's going to say install Metamask for your browser. We're going to click on install Metamask for Chrome, and here it's going to take us to the Metamask Google Chrome web store page. And let's go ahead and click on the add to Chrome button and click on add extension. Now, once that finishes installing, we're going to see the welcome to Metamask welcome page here. Let's go ahead and click on get started. Now, if you already have a Metamask wallet, you can go ahead and import that wallet by clicking the import wallet here. But if you're creating a brand new wallet, let's go ahead and click on create a wallet. And it's just going to ask if you want to help improve Metamask. You can click yes or no on that. It doesn't matter. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. So I'm going to enter a password here and we're just going to confirm it. Go ahead and click on create. And so here it's going to explain how you can secure your wallet with a recovery phrase. Now this recovery phrase is very important to keep secret. This is going to allow you to access your wallet if you ever get locked out of it. And you absolutely do not want to share this recovery phrase with anybody, because if they get access to your recovery phrase, they can get access to all of your funds. So it's very important that you actually keep this very secure. I would write it down in multiple areas, because if you forget your recovery phrase and you get locked out of your Metamask wallet, you are absolutely not going to be able to get back into your Metamask wallet, and there is no way for Metamask to be able to help you get back in. So just make sure you go ahead and watch this video that they provide for you, and then go ahead and click on next. And now it's going to give us a secret backup phrase, which is our recovery phrase. And let's go ahead and click on this. And of course, I'm showing you this now, but this is because I'm just creating a throwaway wallet. I'm not actually going to use this, but you want to make sure that you're not sharing this with anybody. So I'm going to copy and paste this into a notepad, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So now it's going to test and see if you remember your secret backup phrase. So let's go ahead and enter it again, like so. And once you finish re-entering your secret backup phrase, you can go ahead and click on confirm. And it's going to say, congratulations, you've successfully set up your secret recovery phrase. And now you should have access to your wallet by looking at this screen here. We can currently see we have 0 Ethereum right now. If we want to go and add Ethereum, we can go ahead and click on the buy button here, and we can either buy Ethereum with wire, we can use Transec, or we could directly deposit Ethereum directly into our wallet. But that is basically how you set up Metamask for Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.